Dami nangyayari. Easy. Oh, ikaw pa Verso pa pumalo sa mukha mo. Oh my God. Ay, out of the battle experience. Typical Tondo household bugbogan Ginawa natin ang lahat ng yon. Halos 24 hours ng gameplay para sa pagkakataong ito. Renwa, tapusin na natin to. Bigati. Wala akong tatay. Kung tatay-tatayan nyo daw. Gusto ko yung kahit saan sila sa mundo na to, iisa itsura ng camp
I'm really sorry I didn't arrive sooner.
Bato mo sa kuha niya.
Was your brother?
No.
Something like that.
Losing family is difficult.
I know. I know what you're going to say. You want to offer your condolences. You want to say something comforting. But I don't need it. I've had enough condolences. I've lost so many families now. I just need... Can you please go?
Kilala niya na space. To the shadows I go. My watch is over. Stuff. For those who come after. Grabe pa, pinalakas ko pa si Gustav.
Head for the monolith. Through the quarry to the north.
Oh my God, parang Pokemon lang ulit yung first time mo pwedeng mag-surf. Ano ba to? Dito. Tapos... Pero bagay ka siya kasi ito yung... Bagay yung paa niya. Pero nga to, tawag dito para siya yung sa frog. What the frog? Tanong kaya ko ba? So wala makita nung lakas si Verso.
Here we go.
Hindi siya pareho. It's not the same. Resistant sila lahat sa... Kung subukan niyo mag-resistant dito.
Let's cover path.
Please, magkasilbi ka. Puro perfection. Ang dami dyan na to. Patay mo na. Oh my God, kalaban. Malakas. May big boss dito. Yes, nagiba na damit niya at luminis na yung buhok ni
We'll
Amael.
get used to them. We're going to see a lot more.
If we hurry, we can cross before nightfall.
May oras siya mag-perm. Mukha si Iban.
Do we bury Gustav?
I wish we could, but protocol is to keep moving.
Sakin.
Gustav would
Ano ba?
understand.
We can look for a suitable place along the way, yeah?
Hindi na nakuha yung
We'll
katawan
find a
niya.
nice spot.
Actually, there is a place. Past the quarry, out of sight of the painters. A tranquil haven. Protected by magnificent trees. I think you'll approve.
Lead the way.
Yan na. Ak. Pinasa loob niya.
Let me show you something.
At 1v1. Well, let me show you. Ikaw lang. Ayan. Ay, R2? Ito may isa pa? Okay. Okay.
Here we go.
Okay na pala. Yun na, nakikita ko na. 33. Ito nagbabantay na to Apple eh. Kaya dito. Dito ka, punta ka dito. Uyay! Eat! Sa isa lang, alam ko masarap ako. Ay, gago! Kung gusto ko, I choose you! Mag-reset sila. Go, biga dyan, please. Maganda tong combo. Tapos ito powerful. Ano nauna lang siya though, pero para pati ito masakit. Pero masyado mabilis si ano. Smile.
Feel the storm.
Ah, may heal na agad.
I'm ready.
Kala ko siya sakto, no? Ano? Yun! Oh my God! One turn! Ang isang petang. Ano? Boss fight? Oh my God, wait lang. Palit ako ng settings. Shit. Bana. Kamag-alalay, Bana.
Hey. You holding up? We're almost there.
Holding up. Everywhere we go, just death. Death and more death. Everywhere we go, just death.
Ano gusto mo?
I don't want to see that.
Wala ka sa posisyon para sabihin yan, girl.
My
I
alley.
thought you would understand. You said you spent your immortality burying the people around you. Doesn't any of this bother you?
Ano gagawin ko? May ginagawa nga tayo eh. Kailangan mo push forward, di ba na?
You. Gustav's dead. How can you keep going like nothing happened?
We need to continue.
Why do you...
Mael,
Bata ka pa.
you know what we must do. When one falls, come on.
First time mo na naman, ah. So, hawak-hawak lang niya yung kamay ni Gustav. Oy. Yan. Sabi ko na may boss fight eh. Okay, here we go. Ano, nakuha ko yung nilagay ko muna isa daw. Sige. Let's go. Ah, okay. Kala ko fight. Oh, may hiwalay ba si Mile? Ay, masang okay, puro dugo ba yan? Dugo ba dito? Kala ko ink yun. Okay, dugo nga. Sarap. Di ba mabaho yan?
Are you hurt?
Puso lang. Heal. Nice.
Thanks.
Oh, wala ko nalinis.
Ready?
Yep. Tama tayong choice eh. Let's go. Mukhang maraming buhay ito. Oh my God, ang angas. Gago. Kasama si Shelly. Kasama yun. Walis.
Ready to parry.
Here we go.
Oh my God, ang sakit ko. Oh shit. This is the chip of fire. Kailangan
Not
itigil to.
impressed.
Shit. Wala lang. Ito na ata. Sakit to. Sabi ko na eh. May isa pang buhay. Pwede mo mag-heal muna ako bago to. Ulitin ko pa. Ang hirap nito. Bro. Ano yun? Ito, magigitara pa. May isa pa. Ito na. Dualist na nga. Ay, R2 pala ang gradient. Sorry. Oh my God. Oh my God, nung Stormblood. What the
Last
fuck?
ditch effort.
danger.
Ano to? Inverted.
Feel the storm.
Sakit ako. Tayo na. Please.
Here we go.
Please, mamatay ka na. Ano to? Oh my God. Ano nangyari? Oh, nabuhay si Lunay. Lunay at tatapos. Jason Tatum! Jason Tatum! Oh my God! Wala akong ginagawa. Oh! Nagpo-mortal combat. Oh my God! Sa wakas. Woo! Hey, I'm hype.
Well, turns out this Neveron wasn't that strong, but
Ayun na.
you know,
Sa na kami pare-pareho, gago. Ganda din nilagyan nila ng ganong fight sa dulo. Wala lang, parang nagiging mas rewarding. Nakatiutok ako eh. Kala ko, oh shit, may pipindutin ba ako? Ayoko na mauli.
This is what we're fighting for.
Yeah. Paalam! Kayo magalala, tutulungan namin kayo pag nanalo kami dito. Ay, natin lulubog si Gustav. Iba na. Kaya, iba na at may katawan ni Mona eh, no? Ganun siya.
Couldn't wait for me, could you? I wish we could.
Rest easy, Gustav.
Oh.
I'll finish what you started.
Yes, milestones.
Beatrice, Benoit, they will pay.
No more dome. Just open skies.
I'll save them, Gustav. Emma, your apprentices, everyone.
You can leave it to us.
For those who come after.
You were always there for me.
I'll save them.
Say hi to Soph for me. Yeah?
We could never tell if you were my brother or my father. But to me, you were both. Best brother and father.
Ah! Bruh.
When one falls,
We continue.
we continue.
So pa naman sana ng Lunay,
For being my family.
Lunay Gustav. Ah, naging kamay na lang ako.
See you in the next life.
Imagine lang kuyari, yung suot nila yung mga sa gestral, di ba? Di mo maseryoso, buti yung inayos ko yung damit nila. Tapos bigla naging kalaban yung puno eh. Lahat dito bigla may kalaban eh. Ah, laging bakat camp.
for about 2 hours. Then there's a big lake. We shouldn't go there at all. We should make a right, and then it's gonna take a few hours, and then we make a stop. We get some rest and some food, and then from there, we head north to Monoko Station.
Why there?
To recruit my oldest friend. We'll need the extra firepower, because Our next goal will be to take down the paintress' heart.
Her heart?
Yes. You can't just stroll up to the paintress. The chroma there is far too dense. It erases anyone who gets close. But if we destroy her heart, the barrier will fall.
Okay. So where is this heart? What does it look like?
What it looks like, that I don't know. But I do know that it's somewhere in the center of old Lumiere.
You found old Lumiere?
Yes.
So it's true. Before the fracture, our Lumiere was part of a larger city on the continent.
I've traveled with many expeditions. I was with the 58th when we found old Lumiere.
Lagi lang siya
I
natitira.
remember our race before we could get further. And I don't know much more.
All right then. Let's go meet your friend at Minoko Station. And then, we'll take the paintress's heart. Your oldest friend.
Yes.
Yung Jowa
He's
Bell, ano ba to?
Why?
Jowa Bell route?
We don't get to...
Yes. Mapipili ako eh.
Why are you allying yourself with us?
Not a lot of options out here.
What about the previous expeditioners? Did you help them too? Yet they still failed.
That's a terrible way to ask questions. Do you always interrogate people like this?
Given the circumstances, I think we can skip...
Alliances are usually give and take. As a trust goes both ways, no?
All right then. As a gesture of good faith.
No.
I'll show
Hinky.
you how to use Lumina.
No need. I got it.
Well, aren't you a quick study?
But I appreciate the gesture.
Trust works both ways.
I feel like we already established that. And as a gesture of good faith,
Only 3.
someone's a bit greedy.
3 questions with 3 follow-ups.
You're really pushing this.
I think it's reasonable.
All right. Go for it.
Yes. What? May relationship level? What the fuck? May bago na naman? Julie.
Yeah.
Ay, ba't depende rin sa kanya? Hug time with SK.
Verso.
Mon ami.
Esquier, mon ami. I feel like I haven't seen you in years.
3 years, 67.
10 hours and 7 minutes.
Oh, you've
Roughly. What have you been up to?
of napping,
Impressive.
mon ami.
Mga pusa pala.
But napping cannot be taught. We must nap.
Sure.
Yes,
So how did these expeditioners convince...
they're all so nice. Well, you can make some friends.
You know what I think about friendships with expeditioners.
Losing a rock is better than never having a rock. Ask me how I know.
Debate.
I hope we won't lose them.
So,
Yeah,
I brought your stones back 10 times.
I lose them, so
That's a good reason.
So lahat pala. Kala ko ba isa lang? So lahat sila pwede ko.
to adventure.
Wow. Sabi, wala akong... Okay.
How far?
Not too high. Oh, right.
No.
And just as fun.
Oh,
Lahat naman
my
pala.
husband.
Okay. Kala ko parang pipili ka na isa eh. Parang pipili ka na ending gan. Ba't wala ako with Mael? Dahil hindi ko mapapalitan si Gustav. Hindi ko pwede may pag-usap kay Mael.
How come
Minoko...
the lost...
Yeah.
Ito, kailangan ko ito gawin. Si Mael na nagsusala. Tayo na naman, men.
Hey,
Feelings ko to.
Hey, it's fine.
I just... It's...
The pain we feel. I've tried many ways, but what I needed,
What do you mean?
when I'm tired, I use the pain. I use the...
Monet,
I can almost feel them beside me, especially when I use chroma.
feel Gustav.
Yeah,
I'd like to feel him with me too.
you have an affinity for chroma.
How do you always know what to do?
I don't want to know a secret.
Oo.
Thanks. It really was a beautiful place.
Glad you liked it. I've buried friends there too. You were right. About condolences. We offered them because we don't know what else to say, but There's no comfort there.
No.
All we can do is carry them with us.
I guess. Sorry. It's just wet.
Drowning in our own sadness. Why did you join the expedition? I mean, with the Gamage, I understand the rest of the team's decision, but you're half their age.
Out here seemed better than in there at the time.
It's natural. Wanting to escape a life you don't want.
Escape. Yeah. That's what I wanted. But Gustav and the others, they really want to change things.
Well, changing your life also counts. Can't always shoulder the world's problems, you know? It'll drain you fast.
Gustav would probably say, if more of us cared, then it would lighten the load for everyone.
He sounds like a good guy.
Wait. I kept Gustav's, so you can have mine.
Yan yun.
You'll need one if you want to be an official member of our merry crew.
I gotta say, I didn't
Thank
take you
you.
for an official kind of person.
Welcome to the disaster expedition.
Thank you.
Ah.
Acceleration!
Bonjing na to ni Zeski.
Follow the tracks. They'll lead us to Monoko.
Siyempre, nasakta, may umatake kay Manoko, no? Kailangan ko tulungan. Panginang yan.
If Monoko's not here,
Ayun na.
that means...
Ano naman to? So ito, gusto ko ito na lagi entrance sa mga kalaban nila. Kakalaban lang natin kay Duelist.
Reflexes remain sharp as ever.
Gogo.
I approve.
Atro, ito siya?
Obscur, did Verso pull you into another adventure? New
Ano siya, half gestural?
You speak our language.
He had a lot of time to kill, so
Ah,
I taught him.
parang smart dyan, ano?
Could I interest you in a duel?
Definitely
Sabi ko na eh.
industrial.
No point trying to talk until we've calmed Monoko down.
Oo nga pala yung pala gusto ng mga
Be careful,
gestural.
though. Monoko's fighting style is a bit
Ano ba yan?
peculiar.
Peculiar. Pero music na. Hindi ko sir. Siya inverted. Ano to? Utak. Ino mo! Sapat! Ito. Ay, wala tayo. Ako, itim ko. Blackmail.
Place on me.
Tigas pala ng hayop na to.
Finesse. Precision.
Markado.
Strike.
Aray, 7K.
Just try it.
Hindi ko na pari isa. Resplendent eh.
No distraction, son. I'm really busy beating up strangers.
Noko, what are you doing here?
Kala ko.
Kind of slow.
Alam ko anak niya.
But it's a today where the water
No, because you said Nevron.
Correctormene. Grande sorrene. Orbe, orbe.
All right? Show off a bit, Monoko.
Just admit you can't do it yourself.
So nagiging ano siya? What? Lo.
Monoko! Why the hell did you...
Sorry, I fucked up. I just wanted to show off.
We just have to regroup. The others should be fine. Verso said the heart is in the center of Old Lumiere, right?
Right. Okay, Monoko. Stop crying. We have to move.
Ayoko gamitin si Ciel. Huwag yung ipilit sa akin.
Yes. Sorry.
Swap. Ayoko na. Endgame na. Wala siya sa party. Tayo na naman. Oh no. Huwag muna ako paglabanin, please.
Doesn't that look like one of Esquier's stones?
Yeah.
Let's bring him a gift. I was surprised you agreed so readily to Verso's plans.
He seems to be our best bet for now. We lack too much information.
Do you trust him?
I trust that he wants to reach the Paintress. So for now, our interests are aligned.
He has been helpful. Still,
Si
I
Maelyan.
have this feeling he's hiding something.
Perso. Ay, muna ako.
Minoko, how did you meet Verso?
Anak. Hirap na dalawang babae.
I don't really remember. I feel like I've always known Verso.
He mentioned traveling with other expeditions.
Quite a few.
How many? What happened to them?
What happened to them?
Maybe ask Verso when we find him.
Yeah, okay. Finding them comes first.
Ganda ng boses niya yun.
Any idea what this is?
Ano to? Titan?
I'm
Ulo yan eh.
afraid not. This is my first time here as well.
Out in the air and Titan is this. Naku po. Wag muna. Oh my god. No. No, no, no.
58. They were the ones that Verso was traveling with.
I believe so.
Mamamarinig niya si Verso dito.
They made it surprisingly far.
Baka si Verso yung nag-betray.
An axon. Interesting. Verso is... Is this true?
Mael's with him.
Ayun na nga.
We need to go. Now!
Verso would never harm her.
Ang ginawa niya.
Can you stand? Minoko gets a bit carried away sometimes.
My back hurts, but I'm fine.
Good. The others are probably heading towards the center of the city. We'll rejoin them there.
Feels like home.
Yeah. Feels like home.
Wow, anong...
You okay?
Mga tingin mo ako, kuya. Isiyan mo
in
lang.
the disaster expedition, eh?
Yeah. It does.
Ayun na naman. Ikaw na nga natitira niyang father-brother figure. Tapos, raidorin mo pa kape. Okay, ayun. The better party.
Speaking of
Sa wakas. Masyado ba kami malakas kaya pinag-iwa-hiwala?
We're a pretty good team.
Masyado kang titiwala. Ikaw sinaksakan yan. Ayun na nga.
Verso?
Nako. Tinakbuhan
Verso?
ng tatay.
Putain. Where did he go?
Nabi ko na eh. Nabi ko si Verso eh. May bullshit eh. Oh, okay. Ligpasan lang niya. Naku, magsasolo na lang ako. Okay lang. Main ko naman to eh.
Where did you go?
Main ko naman siya. Boss ba to? 1v1? Bahay mga tati. Para mga bahay sa ano ti. Nila Shelby. Ay, mansion. Oh, ay pala si Voldemort. Ay, hindi. Ay, babae? Ay, hindi. Ito yung fading woman.
I knew you'd open the door for her.
Ah, bait nga. Ayan na. Kalaban sa rin.
Really, Verso? This was your plan?
Si Mail yun eh. Kumukha talaga niya eh. Labanan ko to. Tirano.
How many times must you hurt our family?
No, you don't get to lecture me on family.
Why do you refuse to see I am doing this for us? Yet you insist on rushing toward death. You're trying to stop the wrong cycle.
You're doing this for yourself.
It's easier for you to think that, isn't it? Easier to betray us if I'm the villain.
So move. I'm gonna fucking kill him.
You haven't told her the truth,
Sabihin mo na.
have you, son?
What? Oh, yun, dumating din.
Sorry we're late. We were busy doing a bit of reading. Were you planning on sharing that this man, the man who murdered our team, is your father?
Prodigal son lang pala.
Family is not my favorite topic.
No, bro. Bro.
Right, can we talk about this later? I'd really like for you all to survive this.
Yun. Oh, si Serenoa na kalaban natin. Okay.
You forced us to this point.
Yeah. Finesse. Precision.
She won't help you
Ano yun?
this time.
Oh my god, gradient counter. Oh my god, yung pala yun.
Disappointed.
Ano to? Oh, sakto na naman. Oh my god, yung pala yun. First try, gago.
Yeah, dread.
On me.
Pinat-number na.
Gets a bit worse.
Yung Twin Towers, mamamatay ka. Oh my god, caster pa. Ano yan? Gago.
I'm ready.
Oh shit.
Help you this time.
Finesse.
Oh my god, 999. Hindi ka na ako labasan dun. Oh! Kinangina mo. Matigas din. At all enemies? Yes. Oh my god. Sak. Wala.
Should be fighting by my side.
Oh shit, na-vanish nga ako. Oh, natanos ako, hayop. Oh my god. Pero ako sila ibabalik. Wala akong ma-counter exile na yun. Ito yung dalawa pa.
Sweet.
The last. Tingnan nga. Tingnan natin. Oh shit. Oh my god, di ko na naman na-dodge yung fucking vanish na yun. Ang gagawin. Oh my god, natalo ko pa siya. Oh my god. 90 HP. Puta, mono ko with the save. Tapos siya walang silbi. Oh my god. Puta, nagsunod-sunod na counter sa gradient. Ayan na. Wow. No! Ayan na. Inenergible.
Laka?
Bro. At Noko pa. Monoko and Noko. Hindi siya pa yung namatay. Ano ba namamatay yung mga jester? Ay, okay.
Broken.
Oh. Why? Hindi pa pala.
Can't you accept who you are?
Oh! Shit. Chronosphere? Alicia. Alicia. Kamukha niya eh, oh. Saan ano siya?
What is that? Will you
May sumisigaw.
tell me your name?
Oo, tanatanos pa yung lugar. Sabi mag-isa lang ako.
Puta.
Ah, puta na.
Where did it go? No. Alicia.
Fuck!
Hindi ko narinig yung fuck dito. Puro putahin. Putahin. At least si Geber naglabas si Ciel ng importanteng atake. So, in-exile agad siya. Sinolo ni Morocco, gago.
Sorry.
Ang sakit kasi nung counter niya, 4K ng 4K. GG siya eh. Nag-lock in ako dun, gago. Kulit na exile eh.
Care to explain? Your father.
I don't think of him as my father anymore.
Still, why didn't you just tell us?
Eh, syempre baka sabihin niyo, traitor ako eh. Tatay nga, di ba?
Because it's private. It's painful and it's none of your business. I cut ties with him decades ago.
Lying by omission is still lying.
I've told you everything you need to know.
I'd rather make that determination for myself.
I think we can all understand where each other's coming from, right? He hasn't steered us wrong yet. But we're a team now. And we won't get very far if we don't trust each other.
Yung kakaunting battle time ni Ciel, na-exile pa siya agad. Tapos
Complicated.
kung magsalita siya dito, alam yung ambag siya eh. Masaraya pa yung battle ni Monoko sa'yo. Laki na ng team namin. Move ano to eh. Yung sa... Hindi pa ako nakita na namatay na Gestral. Paano yan? Hindi kay Krawit? Sa buti lang siya gagi. Malak niya yan. Kung paano man magkaanak dito. Mukha niya yung sa sa Lion King. Yung unggoy.
The stories say that Gestrals reincarnate. Is that true? Can you bring Noko back?
Partially. We can bring Noko back to life. But not all of Noko will return. It will be a different Noko.
Parang wala na yung niya.
The one you
Conscience
knew.
before.
Is gone.
I'm so very sorry, my friend. And all for naught.
Ako
The
magdidila
Patriot's
siya.
heart was in that manner, and now it's gone. We have no way to
Ay,
access
palapit
the
ng
monolith.
palapit yung 33.
Expedition 58 seemed to think you knew another way.
What?
We found 58 and their journals.
Sagot.
So that's how you... I wasn't hiding it. If that's what you're implying. It's a dead end.
Wait, what are you talking about?
There's someone else who can help us.
Sino na naman yan? Ilan pa ba dadagdag natin? Si Voldemort.
Excuse me. Is it true? Can you make a weapon that can pierce the barrier?
Nag-vape siya. may bilog.
Do you need something from the axons? Do you need their hearts?
Look, to create this weapon, he needs enormous amounts of pure chroma, which is way beyond what we can get from Nevrons. The only source are axons, yes. Like I said, that's a dead end, it's impossible.
Why? What are axons?
They're massive creatures living on islands around the monolith. They're much stronger and much more dangerous than Nevrons. I can't die, and I still couldn't take them down.
Yet we found the corpse of one in Old Lumiere, so it's possible.
I don't know how that one died. But I'm telling you, listen to me, please. Our chances of taking them down without you lot dying are close to zero.
Close, but not zero. Death is coming either way. And as expeditioners, if we die fighting.
Wonderful pep talk.
I know.
All right, if we're going to fight the Axons, then let's be smart about it.
What do you mean?
I've had a few rough encounters with the Axons. There are 3 located on islands around the monolith, and we need at least 2 hearts to get enough chroma. One lives on a mountain too high for us to reach, so that one's out. We should start with the one to the west of the monolith. It's already been weakened by previous expeditions, right?
Yeah, good idea. Maximize our chances.
Or we embrace the challenge and pick the one in the east.
I like your spirit.
Thank you.
Ano ba kang bag nyo?
Did
Wala
you
ka namang
listen
ambag
to what I just said?
the game. To the Axon, it speaks. He who created this world, seeking what he could not grasp, longing to share with those he loves. Behind his smile, what could it be? Di kalungkutan. Nothing happens. Joy? Oh, something happens. Kalabanin mo. Okay. At dahil nagustuhan nyo yung video na yun, ito yung part 2. Aray. Tapos magiging virtuous. Okay, ngayon. Papay tapos loads. Opa.
This and precision.
Aray ko, bes. Stand ka pa, boy. Bihil mo. Isa pa. May isa pa ako.
A storm.
Bakit pagod ka na?
Let's have some fun.
Di ka pa lang yun. Let's have some fun. Ayan na. Ayan na si Ibana. Yari ka.
Precision.
Sakit, no? Ay, pag pumasok si Ibana dyan, yari ka. Tanggal na isang maskara sa wakas. Matawa ko na yun. Magbe-break. Ay, laglag lang. Naging parte na siya nung ano. Nung lugar. Okay. Tinipi ako dito. Ito. Sarado na. Hindi ba? Nasa loob tayo. Iluwa. Ang pakain. Okay. Anong po? Si Pighati mask. What the fuck? Hello. Sige pa level. Oh shit. Ali. Uppercut. Ako nag-upgrade ng mga pero after na ng mga masks. Huwag ka naiyak. Uy, puta, ano yun? Ah, sila din. Ah, sa dodge nga. Oo, sa dodge nga mananalo. Yun! Tamang spam lang. Ayun ka. Yung huli si ano? Si boulder guy. Ka na malungkot. Si Rage. Oh my God, yari ka. Grabe ka, Mael. Tama na ang sakit. Oh shit. Hindi pa namatay. Ayun, namatay sa burn. Madali lang. Ngayon ako mag-upgrade. Yun, tapos na yung tatlong maskara.
Here we go.
Ah, hindi pa pala. Okay, ako na pala. Mahina siya. Pati mag-burn naman siya dito. Immaculate. Ooh. Bagsak. Ay, salamat. Hindi pa tatapos. Siya rin sila masaya. Ayun lang.
No, wait.
We all need
Ako, makamalagyan kami. Gogo. Ah, ano namin, no? Ano? Hindi malagyan. Yan ang humor ko. Alam na niya, oh. Wala siyang tinatago. Hindi siya tinatablan.
This mask.
Oh. Yung hype music, oh.
Because it is me.
Oh. I am the mask. Ibig sabihin. Nakangiti pa siya. Kinuha niya. Wala ako kailangan itago.
What happened?
Axon down. Let's bring this to the curator.
Okay, next. Next action. Tanggal na yung masker. Ang ganda lagi ng music tayo. Baya walang loot? Yun na yung loot?
That was Verso, wasn't it? Renoir.
Huh? Anong tatos Verso? Siya si Verso, ha? Ano? Para mabuo ka na, hayop ka. Salpak mo sa mukha mo, Voldemort. Ano? Tawag sa mga ni Voldemort, mga alagad niya.
You want me to give it to you?
Oh.
Why?
May something talaga dito kay Mael. Importante itong hayop na to eh. Kamukha niya. Paano ko siya yun? Nanay niya, kamukha niya eh. Bakit siya? Pedophile? Ah! Putay na si Renoir!
That was... I saw...
What happened?
I saw... It was...
Si Renoir to?
Renoir?
I used to see him in my nightmares too. He can be quite traumatizing.
Kakalabanin ko na naman yan, please. Parang ward siya dito, ano? Oh, uma-angle. Kamusta kayo, mga tropa peeps?
Do you mind if I play here?
May ganun shot. Ay, wow. Ganyan ka palang power. Piano on command. Ito na ba yung concert? Bago na siyang kuya. Sumasayaw si SK. Ayun na to. May marshmallow umiikot sa likod. Eh. Hindi ko naman ito nangyayari.
What song was that? I feel like I know it.
Yes, an old song I used to play to my sister.
Can you play another?
Wait lang, di ba orphan siya?
We have all night.
Orphan si Mael eh.
Okay, ready?
Are you ready?
To my sister?
I will.
Baka sister niya yan.
Space.
Alright. It all interconnects ha, pwede yun ah. Kasi di wala sinabi doon sa magulang niya. Sabi lang, orphan si Mael eh. Tapos alam pa niya, men, sure na ako, 99% sure ako. Meron silang connection, baka imposible anak niya. So, kapatid niya yan. Baka nakalimutan lang niya ba sa nakapatid niya to? Di ba parang naano yung utak nila? Na erase ganun. Pag, ewan ko kung pinagdaanan niya. Let's oh, bakit siya may music? Tapos isa ko music verso? Bakit? Ba't mga magkakapangalan kami? Pag ito talaga kapamilya ko yung ano, alam nila na. Basang-basa ka na, boy. Sige, SK. Ako si Medusa.
Is she the Axon?
Sirene, she who plays plays with wonder.
Ako, high na si ano. Illusion. Na high. Hotel.
It's so...
Lune, what's going on?
Hindi siya tinatablan. Oh, sige.
I
Parang yung feeling of wonder.
She's manipulating your emotions. You have to focus.
Kita mo?
Remember why you're
Bakit siya hindi tinatablan? Tsaka si Mael. Connected si Mael sa mundong to.
careful.
Well, siya din daw.
They
Pero.
call her she who plays with wonder. But what she really does is play with your head.
Boss fight agad? I'm sure papaikutin pa kami sa mundo na. Oo nga.
Lose our minds.
Bago tayo mga kalaban dito. Yan. Pupunta kami sa baba niyan mamaya. May ano yun? Meron sa ano eh. May platform sa harap eh. Ang iba ang tunog. Ba't may patay na gestural dito? Ayun na, may cutscene. Wala. Joke lang. Ano to? Okay ka lang, Lons.
Carl Parfait, Lonnie Jim. There's Okima Proboni.
Colosseum? Saan? Cutscene. Ang batag save. Bro, ano ba? Ang magandang tigas niya. Hindi yata to posible. Lodi kicks.
Let's cut through the flames.
Use your fire. Stop.
Hello? Dugbog ako ni Petang. Pwede bang pahil? Bro. Wow. Ako meron ba siya? Okay.
I'll do it.
Ano to? Okay. Nakatang-kill ko sa kanila by ano? Level 33. Oo nga, 33. Eh, may sumail lang. Please. Patay mo na agad. Okay. Attack anyway. Pag hindi ko siya pinatay, ba't may ganito? Wait nga. Pag hindi ko siya pinatay, tumutulong siya kay ano eh. Reverse psychology ba to? O same mechanic lang sa mga mask? So, sinabi ni Jon Snow na atakayin natin. Sige. Tissue. Okay. Oh my god, sakit ang damage niya. Combo. Puta. Oh my god, ang bilis. Oh my god. Yun, di na kailangan ng countdown kung patayin na agad yung isa, no? Medyo bobs para sa akin. Oh, tayo na yun. Oh, Jabberwockies. Jabberwocky snake. Sakpan muna kita. Okay, ko.
Incoming.
Okay. Oh no, mali. Oh. Oof. Okay, ginseng. Okay. Taron lang to.
That's better.
Yun, puta na stun. Ayup ka. Teka. Unless may isa pang buhay. Okay, wala. Serenade. Jabawakis number 1. Number 2 na pala to. Lakas ma-action eh. Ganun tingin niya. In love ba sila? Tina-charm na ano nga tayo. Ang magulang niya. At tina-charm nga siya. Kasi Gustav. Ano to, asawa niya. Tigilan mo nga ako, lumandi ka nga ng verso. Ayun. Pati anak niya namatay. Sino to? Puta, sinoko. Di niya mahanapan. Ano tingin niya? Ako nagalit. Pinaasa lang kayo. Yan na nga. May galit to sa kanya. Here we go. Okay. What? Ano to? Grabe na yan. Wow. Okay. Okay. Get in.
Here we go.
Okay na. Final act. Ano na naman yan? Ano to? Puta, babatuin ba kami ng bahay? Gago, wanita. Okay, more ballets. Ano naman to? Oh shit. Okay. Dami nangyayari. Easy. Isa pa. Sige. Bato mo lahat. Ang gusto mo yung bato. Ayun na. Ito yung final act ko, yung ano, itim. Kung final act mo to. Final act mo to. Tangina mo. Hina ng atake ko, walang silbi. Loon will die. High physical to yun. High physical. Easy. Kala ko may second pa. Ano pala? Naghahalo-halo na yung mga klase na tao. Ay, di pa tapos? Oh! Inaakit. Ang zesty nun yung tingin na yun. Okay. Oh! Ano? Okay. Energy ball! Ano yan? Kala ko kinain siya. Ano ginawa niya? Okay, nag-final ano lang. Final hit. Rest in peace. Malandi ka. Pinakamalandi aksong. Puro action na aksong na tong. Okay. Ano yun? Damit? Bibigay nila kay Voldemort. Convert niya to. Nagtitiwala lang sila eh. Oh! Oh shit, the Chronosphere na naman.
Is it you again?
Okay.
Why?
Well,
What did you see this time?
I don't know. Oh, a woman. It was. Why do I keep seeing things?
Kasi nga, ano ka, importante ka dito. Susi ka. Anak ka o ano.
Who are you?
Makatatay mo to. Baka si Renwa yan di. Yung baka nakita mo. Kasi fading man, fading girl. Si Renwa yan. Kung binabantayan ka ng tatay mo, yun ba yun? Yun ba yung point? Ooh. Bigyan ka ng baston. Ah, ano? Espada. Kita mo, ikaw pa bida. Espada mo pa din. Ito kasi siya, di ko na mabigyan ng magandang weapon. Ikaw, lahat na sa'yo eh. Ay, yung pampatay niya. Ano to? Yaman-yaman na ni iba, ano, binigyan niya pa ng ganyan. Ano yan eh? Yan, OP na yan. Ano to? Anong weapon yan? Sino yan? Ah, si ano? Yun nga, si Puti Buhok. Nanay niya. Ay, masasaksak ka ng wow, kalma. Ito na yung isa pang Gustav situation. Kamukhang kamukha eh. Blah. Oh, parehong-pareho sila oh. May letter pa. Letter to Mael. Yung music, letter to Mael. Letter to Mael. Ano nakalagay? Unvi ano? Kung tinatago mo sa amin. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo eh. Mail to eh.
You embrace her.
Ah.
Condemning her to die.
you brought him here.
I'm not here to fight. But my son, do you know what it means to disappear into nothingness? Have you thought through the consequences? Not just for you, or even me, but for them. Their memories, their dreams, their love for each other. Who really is the one painting death, and who paints life instead? We exist and we will exist for as long as she wants. You want to spoil what we've been given. Sometimes we paint the bars of our own prison. Your despair blinds you. You think you're ready to pay the price. But are you willing to let them pay the price for you.
May everything be decided before their very eyes. Between the bars of their prison.
Oh, shit.
In the shadow of the monolith.
Ito yung before may malungkot na mangyayari, no? Masaya lahat eh. Kapatid nga eh, alam naman na natin yan. So marami bang barrier si, marami ba siyang shield?
Do the honors.
Si Paintress? Kung gano'n ka-importante itong weapon. Si mo, tingin ni Berso eh. Iba-iba eh. Black and white ba yung nasa loob? Patakala, ba't sila tinutulungan ng fading man? Kung si Renwa yun, hindi posible si Renwa yun. Break. Parang yung shield sa kono ha, natanggal na yung barrier. Okay, so nakita ko pa yung Patneski. Doon na, sarap na tayo. Laki naman na kailangan kong lakarin pag namatay ako. I doubt kaya ko ito. Pero gusto ko lang siya matry. Ang anticlimactic eh. Oh shit. Woof! Epic naman ito tayo. Anong shot yan? Ganda. Oh, galit na si Mael. Nakatingin ka ng ganun. Kay Mael. Sumbong kita sa polis. Verso. Okay. Oh my god. One hit lang ba kami? Hindi pa. Huwag mo sabihin ako lang. Si Mael lang pwede makadamage. Hindi din. Aba, kailangan yung breaker yung gamitin ko? Ginagago lang ako. Ayun.
Our attacks do nothing.
I don't understand. The gradient attack should work. Wait, Mael.
I don't think this is...
Hindi siya yung Paintress. Bantay lang.
No.
O yun na, puti buhok. Ano ba yan? Sino ba itong babae? Uy, gago. Putang ina, sinunog. Oh shit. Putang ina ka. Genjutsu. Amaterasu. Lah. Aray. Simuno ko lang, nonchalant lang dun. Hindi siya physical fire. Ano yun?
Everybody okay?
Parang utak nila. Ito. Oh, tayo nakabulin pa kita. Ano to, Dragon Ball? Susunod na chapter.
Follow her. Quickly.
What?
Yes, samahan natin sa butas.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Very sus. Very, very sus verso. Mo hawakan. Oh. Ano yan? Sino yan? Boss fight? Wait lang, maga ako eh. Isang barilin. Parang Stations of the Cross. Okay, hindi kita papansinin.
Verso, what was that?
I don't know.
Fire.
Yes, GG. Ina mo, may second life ba? Okay, wala na. Ina, magabagsak ka na. Yeah, okay. Tama, kasi alam naman bumagsak siya ng ano. Kasama si Lune. Mamatay ka. Hindi ako ready tuloy dahil kailangan ako mag-heal. Maboy. And maman. Pabalik na ako sa Lumiere. Oh, labon. Anong Lumiere to? Ay, hindi ito yung Lumiere namin. Hindi kasi sila masaya eh. Oh, si Verso yan eh. Nanay nga namin yan. Nabilig siya sa piano. Tamaman. Nice, tangina, harangan mo, Verso. Harangan mo lang. Kalma. Oh my god. Oh my, ayan na. Wait lang. Dito kayo. Higa, come. Come. Yay! Okay, so mukhang ito na yung mukhang poday dito na ata yung paintress. Ano ka? Puta, kalabang magulang, mahirap niyan. Generational trauma sa mukha. Renoir, diba? O, Renoir. Zoom in. Ano ba? Di ka ba nila mahal na anak?
Is that
Siya na.
you?
Siya na naman. Ang kalaban. Pinapagod po ako. Yan, anak ka. Tataydo rin ba ako nito?
We're taking her down.
What? Okay.
She's not the only one who grieves. The pain of losing you, she made me inherit it. Punishment, perhaps, for not being there when it mattered.
Huh? Nagsasabi
I
nito.
refuse to lose my son.
Okay.
That son was a stranger.
But you're not.
First I was afraid. I was
You're
petrified.
not.
You lost me years ago, and I lost you.
Baka yung memory.
So you leave us no choice. Tell me, how are you different from her in doing this?
I'm tired.
Sorry.
So trust me. We are your family.
So ihayaan lang sila magbulungan dito. Iba walang, kaya mo lang.
Complicated.
Oh, the pushback. Anak mo din yun eh. Sabihin mo na. Lalabanan ba natin to? Oh God.
If
Ay po, tsa.
saving you means
Naku,
losing you,
lalabanan ko si Renoir na naman.
then so be it.
Ah, fuck. Pwede nga pala siya mag-vanish. Wag siya, please. Iba na lang. Putang ina, galit sa anak niya ang puta. Nagalit ka sa anak mo, hayop ka. Ano siyang patayin? Yun, okay. Umakit na yung Flanax tuhod niya.
Your sister deserves more.
Ilang beses ko ba makikita tong paa ng aso na to?
Let's have
Shields out!
Investment tayo. Sige.
Flames ready!
And 40.
I'm ready.
Oh shit.
Danger.
Oh shit. Okay.
Okay.
Sige. More hits, more damage pa rin naman eh. Ako ulit.
Away from
Ay,
us.
Shit. Oh my god. Dapat ako eh. Apply a second turn. Fuck. Okay. Oh my god. Kailangan ko mag-revive please. Revive. Tinuro-turong ka. Alright, 10k.
incoming.
Alon, yun, ganyan lang. Magganyan ka lang na magganyan, please. Fuck, may isa pa. Bilis. Yun, oh my god. Tuwa mo muna yung ama mo. Tapos saka mag-radiantan. Ina ka. Okay. Ilang beses ka pa papatayin, Renwa? Ano bang baston yan? Oh my god, paano kay Gustav? Para kay Gustav, kaso kaya mo ba? Tatay pa rin naman niya in the end eh. Nga, ikaw nga pumatay. Oh, ayun eh. Yan yung nanay niya. Ika na dito, uwi ka na. Tama na yan. Oh shit. Oo. Nakahype ako sa music kahit pumatayo lang siya.
Remember who your real family is.
Ano ba? Di ka mamatay-matay.
It's not her. It's your sister, your mother, me. We are your family. You would condemn us all to die for what?
For clout?
Who do you really save with your sacrifice?
Your sister and your mother.
You're too drunk on your own illusions to understand.
Then let us celebrate the second destruction
Siyempre.
of the Descendre family.
Problema lagi eh. Gogo. Ano yan? Gago. Oh shit. Oh! Ano yun? Oh! Si ano? Si Alicia. Diba? Ay hindi. Si Voldemort. Ako ikaw. Shit.
At long last, we
Ano
meet.
ba to? Boy best friend mo? Pero siya matangkad eh.
This is all you have left of your son. Destroying it won't bring your wife back.
Oo nga, sabi ko na mirror nga niya.
Will only destroy the last tie you have to each other.
Nakita na niya to eh. Nakita na ni Mael na si Renwa to eh. Anong world? Ewo. Oh! Ikaw ko akong dugo. Okay, susunod lang siya. Walang titigil dito. Ano yun? Ah!
I love them too.
Oh, ayun. Sa wakas namatay din si ano? Renoa. I love them too. Ano to? Siya yun eh.
We did it, Gustav.
Sabi ko na. Ilang yung purpose din ano. Closure kay Gustav.
Hey. How did you do that?
not sure. The curator felt it.
Can you do it again?
I don't know.
Namatay yung tatay niya, wala lang yun.
I think so. Yeah. Yeah, I think I can.
Ay, puta yun yung...
What did Renoir mean? The things he said to the curator.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
She's through there.
Yeah.
Pace lang siya sa likod eh.
Behind this door is the future of Lumiere. What every expedition has worked towards.
Sila yung pinakamalayo.
I have trust in us.
Sa wakas, kita ko rin tong hype na to. May stiff neck yung ano. Tower.
That's her. The paintress.
Nanay
He
niya
looks
to
like
eh.
the curator.
Nanay nga talaga to eh.
Renoir.
Wala na ibang
He
meaning.
mentioned the curator's wife.
Kapatid daw niya si
She's the
Mael.
paintress.
Siya talaga eh. Ito si ano sana.
You've come back.
Yung kasama natin sa camp, ito sana siya eh. Sa ibang gender eh. Yun din yun eh. God. My daughter.
But the fire. Are you really here?
So yung paintress din, itsura din niya yung mga... Yung ano, yung pumatay kay Renoir. Mukha din niya eh. Hindi siya special eh.
Oh, is he playing tricks again? Alicia,
Alicia.
your face.
My face. What about my face? Are you going to burn it again?
Alicia's your daughter.
And I'll remind you of her. The daughter you lost.
Ah, okay. O-project pala si ate mo.
Come along.
Matagos ba siya?
Let's go home.
Yes. You need to go home.
This is another trick. She's not Alicia. You are not my Verso.
No. Verso's dead.
Ito mga ano to, mga namatayan na magulang na pinoproject sa iba.
No.
Lost na.
You are his creations,
Ah.
not mine.
Is as in si... yung nasa camp?
You will not take this canvas from me.
Oh my god.
This is what we created the expeditions for.
Tomorrow comes.
Wow. Oh, nag-post. Nag-battle pose. Ina, ano mga aralin na pari, hayop. Ano, Pinterest? Break! Break! Ina ka. Survive. Putang ina. Pwede ako mag-mayhem. Break! Please! Break! Kinang ina mo. Napulado naman yun. Ano, Papi. Labas mo yung isa mo pang buhay. Sige na, labas mo na.
Flames rain.
Not impressed.
Sana ako revive, men. Hindi, berserk na lang. Gusto mo tayo sa safe.
I've got this.
Sakit naman eh. Din. Sige, may tiwala ako na kaya ko yung next hit. Okay.
Harriet!
Void meteor. Okay. Mas kaya to, I think.
Careful, Mael. I'm ready. Brace yourself.
Okay. Wait lang. Shit, di pa abot si Mael agad. Ang layo mo naman, Mael. Go work, 999. Okay. Ay, madali lang to. Basta instant. Takas agad. Baka may isang buhay pa to, do. Basta madali. Ay, huyari ka kay Mael. Tangina mo, antayin mo lang. Ito na. Grace, wala ka na sana isa pang buhay, please. Huwag ka magkakaisa pang buhay. Huwag ka magkakaisa pang buhay, tangina mo. Pasensya na, Nay. Hindi na damage. Nakatugasan yan. Ay, isa pa buhay, siyempre. Siyempre, ba't na ako basa?
Beth. I don't like this.
Ano yan? Makakaalis muna siya. Okay, at least wala na isang buhay. Okay na yan, at least tapusin nyo na to. Oh my God. Wala na ako revive, boy. Ay, gagi, nakahiga. Ayun, naka-sad girl dun sa harap. Oh my God, long hair pala siya. Shit. Rescue! Yun! Okay, oh my God. Ayoko to labanan. Okay, so ito yung lalabanan namin dun sa susunod.
Look what I found.
Oh! Sorry! Okay. Ito yung lipad.
Let's go.
Okay. Paalam, inay. Inayan. Pero kala ko kailangan ko pa mag-grind dun. Buti kinaya kahit po yung pare lang. Ano yun? Ba't naka-curve yung book niya? Oh shit. Ano, para ano lang ito, Gundam eh. Laban na naman? Wag muna. Oh my gosh, fuck. Wala na akong revive, man. Shit. Ah, shit.
Tell your father I don't need him to look out for me.
What? Oh. Woo! Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God. No.
A storm is coming.
Fuck. Fuck, wala na ako revive, boy. Kalungkutan, pigati. Shit. Wait. Sakit ka.
Coming.
Wait lang.
Tell your father I don't need him to look out for me.
Oh shit. my God. Okay. Kailangan natin itong malambot. Pag-alam mo naman kasi.
Careful, my ally.
Oh my God.
Feel the burn.
Yes. Yeah.
I'm not crazy.
Okay.
I know exactly what I'm doing.
Dami mga babae lagi. Ano to? Naputan.
Let us stay.
Wala madedefend din. Eto, remove soul shield. Sakto. Nagpanado ko lahat to. No shield, no shield. You will die. Okay. Talaga invest ka.
Precision!
Foolish
out,
child,
Oh, shit.
you defied me, and now he's dead!
Wait lang. Ay, gago. No.
Careful now.
Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Revive, revive. Ay, gago eh. Yung nga pala yung last. Puta yan. Okay lang. Pag namatay siya, mawawala ba? Okay. Nawala yung bilang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Tukan muna kita. May revive pa ako, boy. Ay, gago. Counted pala eh.
You can't escape!
Ako ulit.
Angya!
Mangkya! Fuck, meron naman ako. Pwede. Okay, kaya to.
Blitz and
Wala akong buff, pero 2968. Oh, nag-balance stat pa, boy. Huwag ka mag-burn. Okay, revive. O, diba? Parang wala lang yun. Hindi na nga natin tinignan. Nangina mo. Ikaw pa Piebero sa pumalo sa mukha mo. Ayun, di kinaya ng gun pala. Bagsak. Oh, aray. SK! Oh boy! Ayan na si John Wick, gago. Naka-uniform pa yan. Kung sabihin may isa pa, okay. Napagod na siya. Takas ka muna uli. Yun naman lagi mo ginagawa. Usap mo na kayo ni Ibana.
is it over?
No, hindi pa. Hindi nag-0-0 eh. Ito, may isa pa.
No. We're not done yet.
Oo nga. Ano yan? Huwag mo bigyan ng mga zoom out. Huwag mo ginulpe. Ano to? Ano to? Gustav Mechanic? Ano to? Para saan to? Ba't kita yung music? Ayaw ko to gawin. Oh, may
Precision!
damage pa nga. Okay.
Chroma's flowing.
Mawa naman.
Oh,
That lives through worse.
Nakakaawa naman. Okay, binigyan lang ako na isa pang X. Pinatay na painted power. Damage ka Nick si 99. Yes, ito na. Yes. So nga, hindi pa nga tapos. So pinatay talaga siya. Well, nakatayo pa siya pero... Yun lang. Oo. Nanay niya yan talaga eh. Promise eh. Ay. Para may gusto ka lang gawin, tapos harang lagi magulang mo. Ganun lang. Sensya na. Sabi ko sa'yo. Kailangan ko talaga yung laptop na yun pang module. Pang assignment talaga yun. Kahit 50-60 yan.
Why?
Rest now. Things have been better soon.
So si Reno nata ang big boss talaga dito, hindi pay interest eh. Yun yung tunay na stress eh. Hanggang ano lang, itong act lang na to, hindi pay interest. Kung inukala mo, ano yun, sa simula pa lang siya yung talunin mo. Ih, yun siya sa loob. Pintura. Ako, may kita ba niya kung sino to? Tulad nung kay, Voldemort. Ah. Naharangan. Uy! Ah. Patay.
Alicia.
Uy! Ano yun? Alicia. Siya si Alicia? Eto? May something sa mata niya. Nag-blue. Ah, nawala na yung ano. Pag yung tigas ng kamay ni John Wick na ito. Hanggang Oo nga, may something pasusunod dito sa kanya. May ano pa, may unresolved pa eh. May marami silang mga binabato mga pangalan eh. Hindi siya maseryoso may uniform. Para ano lang eh. Binatak galing sa ano eh. Sa job application eh. Uy, may ano ka pa, patay mo pa yung seamstress. Hindi dito. Ba't mo tutuguan? Never naman tong pumatay. Natasikan lang to sa amin eh. Okay, natanggal na yung mga paint. Uy! Ano mangyari dito? Nawala na yung numero. Hindi na siguro yun yung problema daw.
She's gone. She's gone.
Baka may kailangan doon sa... Hindi masaya si Ibaan eh. Si John Wick, hindi rin. Wait lang, pareho silang mata ni Ibana.
You're free.
Pareho silang blue eye, no?
You are all free.
Oh?
Is this real?
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure Gustav's watching over us. Hey, come. Wanna plant it?
Yabang. Si 33 yung maglalagay doon sa ibabaw. Parang may ano eh.
Oh, presumably.
Parang ano, yung merong scene na sinabi nila yung this victory seems hollow. Ito rin yun eh. Okay. Ako baka maging checkpoint yan, no? So mamamatay kami lahat. So magtutuloy si si Mono ko. Siya na yung last. Ganda. Okay. Work na ba si Gustav? Work na ba?
Let's go home.
Oo, but...
Yeah.
Sige. Wallpaper. Screenshot. Okay, ang sunod. Parang wala na nag-celebrate yung dalaw. Defeat the paintress. Meron eh. Sabi niya throughout sa fight eh. Meron siyang inis dun kay Renoir eh. Yung may hinihim-him siya eh. Kasi Verso. Baka tatay rin tayo ni Verso. Siya na lang yung natitira eh. Yun, nakatingin sa likod. Parang, shit. May inatong sinuot kong uniform.
Still feel immortal?
O nga, paano yun?
Less than yesterday.
Immortal pa rin ba siya?
Shall we test it out?
Gag.
I appreciate the offer.
Monoko, You've been extra
Ano
quiet
ko,
since
sabihin
we
nyo na
got to the
bakit?
melody.
Anong meron? Ba't kayo malungkot?
Have I?
What now?
Namulutang yung paa ni ano.
We go back to Lumiere and life goes on.
Yung ano,
Yeah.
yung mga war,
Decades and
traumatized sa war.
decades
Kaya
in front
talaga
of
eh.
us.
Was it worth it? Manalo sa
Guess
gera.
this is how it feels to be immortal.
Siya lang yung masaya eh. Itong bangko eh. Wala ka naman bag sa team na to eh.
What do we do now with all this time?
Tulak nyo nga kay
The
Skate.
expedition might be over, but we're not done yet. There are so many questions left to answer.
O nga, John Wick, ano ba? Bigay ka naman dyan ng ano. Bigay ka naman ng masasabi dyan, oh.
Lumiere.
Uy.
Lumiere red.
Alam ko may sira eh. Ooh. Okay. Selebrasyon. Ito yung palita uniform yan. Sino nagsabing palitan niya yan, ha? Uy! Chicks dun. Bago na lalandiin. Oy! Ay, hindi. Ano lang pala. Shot lang pala. Tayo na. Bumalik na din dito. Masaya kayo, ha? Namatay lang naman lahat na kasama namin. Dito bagay. Sino ba to? Sino ba yung statue na yun? Sino to mga to? Ano sila maalala? Tayo na. Ay, mga tunaw nga pala. Myth na nga pala sa kanila to. Baka si SK talaga yung ano, big boss dito. Ito. Ito talaga, traidor. Tayo na. Buko bigyan ng isang berto.
Brother, I tire of the conflicts and deceptions that plague our family and theirs.
And theirs.
So, I entrust you with this letter. Whether you give it to her is up to you. I'm at peace with what's to come. When the time comes, I hope you will be too. Maya, it's a strange feeling watching you with my brother, laughing and smiling, without the scars or the memories that afflict me. Alicia, as she was meant to be, not this painted version that I am. My family, a facsimile of yours, and this world, a mirror, painted by your mother, the paintress, to stave off her grief. Seeing your expedition through would plunge us all into the abyss. For in ridding the world of the paintress, you'd lose the sole force standing against the one who would erase us.
Sino?
The one who invokes the flowers of the Gamash. An act of love. For he does love her. Your father.
Sabi ko na yung tatay.
On her monolith, she paints a warning for us all. Of the few she can save as her power wanes.
Sinisave niya?
We all wish for our families to thrive. Your family, however, believes only one can survive. But perhaps you'll find another way. You who have lived amongst us, perhaps you differ from your father and your sister, as I differ from mine.
Okay, parang
Your mother paints life, whilst your father, death.
Parang siya yung ano.
What will you paint?
What will you paint? Oh shit. Ano yan? Ano yan? May nag-spawn. Eh, hindi yung nakita nila sa Japan eh. Ano ito? Ganda siya. Oo, tayo. Bulalit. Bahayan nila lahat na niya. Kagit, tinahalos sila. Kulit nyo ah. Pero bakit? Yun yung naglilimit. Tayo ng aray. So... Saan punta, boy? Siya din. Okay lang yan, bangko lang yan eh. Pero paano niya napipili kung sino mamamatay? Ano na yun? Oh shit. Ay, kinuha na ba sila? Baka doon sila maglalaban. Nakatawa na yung pinaka-big body daw sa gitna lang nilagay. So, hindi mo na alam kung ano sinusunod mo kalaban. Kasi sinabi naman yung tatay. Okay. So, dadalhin sila dun kung saan man punta nito mga to. So, sinisave niya. So, si Verso, siya rin ba dapat? Okay. Si Verso. Boy, nasa ka na? Okay, dito kami nagkita. Gustav yan?
You're okay.
Ay, si Beso, sorry. Kamukha niya. Oh, tayo na. Ah, okay. Ito yung puti. So, sa ngayon to. Ay, hindi. Ito before pala to, before. Kamukha ni Bay. Baka nanay niya to. Posible siya yung nasunog. Ito, tumiitim pa siya sa mata.
Alicia?
Yan na. Go. Galing sa sunog.
Good, you're awake. Come downstairs.
Clear. Ay, wala pala siyang mata. Woo! At gusto nyo patapusin na natin ang Act 3. Like nyo na yung video. Pucha, pero lalaki ko to either way. So, ang ganda eh. Galing sa grind. Try natin ulit. 2 levels na.
Fighter.
How cruel of your father to use you like this.
Incoming.
Ready to parry.
Take cover! Danger!
Hindi ko nadadali no?
Brace yourself.
Careful now.
Danger!
Okay lang. Counter pa rin.
Let the ink
Kasi
flow.
mail lagi ka counter para... Yun, na-stun ka pa, nabato ka sa nanay mo. Okay naman.
Here we go.
Okay, tawagin mo yung ganda. Okay. Ah, shit. Okay. Lock in. Ay, nag-stuck na yung fire.
Grandma can grieve however he likes, but I
Alam mo,
get to
may
grieve
gradient
my own way.
Shit. Masakit ng palo na ito. May-miss. Ay, may supporte nga pala ako. Puta.
I'm ready.
Erwin Henshaw.
Arrogant
Ay,
man.
binubuksan niya yung ano.
I taught him to
Cabinet
paint.
niya.
He seeks to use my creations against me.
Kalaban si Remo at saka Rain. asawa. Ano nga mangyari? Ah, yung putang inang ano? Meteor. Alala ko na. May isa pa. Oo, hindi ko kailangan pari. Wala akong pake. Kasi prote wala akong damage. Eto, removes all shield. Sakto. Nanado ko lahat to. No shield, no shield. Mas bagay wala akong buhay.
I've got this.
Sakit.
That hurts.
You can't escape. Angya!
Angya! Fuck, meron naman ako. Pwede. Okay, kaya to.
Blitz and
Wala akong buff, pero pwede na yung 968. Oh, nag-balance stat pa, boy. Huwag ka mag-burn. Ah, okay, revive. O, diba? Parang wala lang yun. Hindi na nga natin tinignan. Nangina mo. Oh, ikaw pa Piebel. So, paano pumalo sa mukha mo? Ayun, di kinaya ng gunpla. Bagsak. Oh, aray. SK! Oh, boy! Ayan na si John Wick, gago. Naka-uniform pa yan. Kung sabihin may isa pa. Okay, napagod na siya. Takas ka muna uli. Yun naman lagi mo ginagawa. Usap mo na kayo ni Iban.
is it over?
No, hindi pa. Hindi nag-0-0 eh. Ito, may isa pa.
No. We're not done yet.
Oo nga. Ano yan? Huwag mo bigyan ng mga zoom out. Huwag winulpe. Ano to? Ano to? Gustav Mechanic? Ano to? Para saan? Nakakahawa ako sa kanya. Naka-load siya eh. Ba't kita yung music? Ayaw ko to gawin. Oh, may damage pa nga. Okay.
Chroma is flowing.
Mawa naman.
I've lived through worse.
Nakakaawa naman. Okay, binigyan lang ako na isa pang X. Pinatay na painted power. Damage ka next in 99. Yes, ito na. Yes. So nga, hindi pa nga tapos. So pinatay talaga siya. Well, nakatayo pa siya pero... Yun lang. Nanay niyan talaga eh. Promise eh. Huh? Para may gusto ka lang gawin, tapos harang lagi magulang mo. Ganun lang. Sensya na. Sabi ko sa'yo. Kailangan ko talaga yung laptop na yun pang module. Pang assignment talaga yun. Kahit 50-60 yan.
Why?
Rest now. Things will be better soon.
So si Reno ata ang big boss talaga dito, hindi pay interest eh. Yun yung tunay na stress eh. So hanggang ano lang, itong act lang na to is pay interest. Kung inakala mo, yun sa simula pa lang siya yung talunin mo. Yung siya sa loob. Pintura. Ako, may kita ba niya kung sino to? Tulad nung kay, Voldemort. Naharangan. Uy! Patay. Siya si Alicia? Ito? May something sa mata niya. Nag-blue. Ah, nawala na yung ano. Yung tigas ng kamay ni John Wick na ito. Agad. Oo nga, may something pasusunod dito sa kanya. May ano pa, may unresolved pa eh. May marami silang mga binabato mga pangalan eh. Hindi siya maseryoso may uniform. Para ano lang eh. Binatak galing sa dyan eh. Sa job application eh. Oy, ano ka pa? Patay mo pa yung seamstress. Hindi ka dito. Ba't mo ito duguan? Never naman itong pumatay. Natasikan lang to sa amin eh. Okay, natanggal na yung mga paint. Uy, ano mangyari dito? Nawala na yung numero. Hindi na siguro yun yung problema daw.
She's gone. She's gone.
Baka may kailangan doon sa... Hindi masaya si Ivan eh. Si John Wick, hindi rin. Wait lang, pareho silang mata ni Ivan.
You're free.
Pareho silang blue eye, no?
You are all free.
Oh?
Is this real?
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure Gustav's watching over us. Hey, come. Wanna plant it?
Yabang. Si 33 yung maglalagay doon sa ibabaw. Parang may ano eh.
Oh, presumably.
Parang ano, yung merong scene na sinabi nila yung ano, this victory seems hollow. Ito rin yun eh. Okay. Ako, baka maging checkpoint yan, no? So mamamatay kami lahat. So magtutuloy si ano, si Mono ko. Siya na yung last. Ganda. Okay. Worth na ba si Gustav? Worth na ba?
Let's go home.
Oo, tag.
Yeah.
Sige. Wallpaper. Screenshot. Okay, ang sunod. Parang wala na nag-celebrate eh. Dalaw, defeat the paintress. Meron eh. Sabi niya throughout sa fight eh. Meron siyang inis dun kay Renoy. Yung may hinihim-him siya eh. Baka si Berso. Baka tatay doon rin tayo ni Berso. Eh, siya na lang yung natitira eh. Ayun, nakatingin sa likod. Parang, shit. Mainit tong sinuot kong uniform.
Still feel immortal?
O nga, ano? Paano yun?
Less than yesterday.
Immortal pa rin ba siya?
Shall we test it out?
Gag.
I appreciate the offer.
Monoko, you've been extra quiet.
Sabihin nyo na bakit? Anong meron? Ba't kayo malungkot?
Have I?
What now?
Nabulutang yung paa ni ano.
We go back to Lumiere and life goes on.
Yung ano?
Yeah.
Yung mga war,
Decades
traumatized sa war.
and
Kaya talaga
decades in
eh.
front of us.
Was it worth it? Manalo sa gera.
This is how it feels to be immortal.
Siya lang yung masaya eh. Itong bangko eh. Wala ka naman bag sa team na to eh.
What do we do now with all this time?
Tulak nyo nga kayo
The expedition might be over. But we're not done yet. There are so many questions left to answer.
O nga, John Wick, ano ba? Bigay ka naman dyan ng ano. Bigay ka naman ng masasabi dyan, oh.
Lumiere head.
Alam ko may sira eh. Okay. Selebrasyon. Ito yung palit na uniform yan. Sino nagsabing palitan niya yan, ha? Uy! Chicks dun. Bago na lalandain. Oy! Ay, hindi. Ano lang pala. Shot lang pala. Tayo na. Bumalik na din dito. Masaya kayo, ha? Namatay lang naman lahat na kasama namin. Dito bagay. Sino ba to? Sino ba yung statua na yun? Sino to mga to? Ano sila maalala? Tayo na. Ay, mga tunaw nga pala. Myth na nga pala sa kanila to. Kasi SK talaga yung big boss dito. Kamukha na niya yung inag-adopt sa kanya. Hindi. Si Gustavo nga pala. Pala yung nakatay nila. Sinulat ko yan, pinagtsagaan ko sulat lahat yan, basahin niyo yan. Akala niya mayroon siyang bimbang. Walang bimbang o pag-uwi. Nakapanginan. Dapat pictos yung bimbang, Ay, bojo. Binitawan, hayop ka. Dito nag-start yung Attack on Titan, tapos tumakbo sila dun sa loob. Ayan, remote muna tayo sa tubig. Gusto ko siya mag-emote na naka-uniform. Yung John Wick niya. Ano pala? Akala ko matawawala yung immortality niya pag namatay yung Paintress. Akala ko nakakonect dun. Ito talaga traidor. Tayo na. Huwag mo ko bigyan ng isang berto.
Brother, I tire of the conflicts and deceptions that plague our family and theirs.
And theirs.
So, I entrust you with this letter. Whether you give it to her is up to you. I'm at peace with what's to come. When the time comes, I hope you will be too. Maya, it's a strange feeling watching you with my brother, laughing and smiling, without the scars or the memories that afflict me. Alicia, as she was meant to be, not this painted version that I am. My family, a facsimile of yours, and this world, a mirror, painted by your mother, the paintress, to stave off her grief. Seeing your expedition through would plunge us all into the abyss. For in ridding the world of the paintress, you'd lose the sole force standing against the one who would erase us.
Sino?
The one who invokes the flowers of the gommage. An act of love. For he does love her. Your father.
Sabi ko na yung tatay.
On her monolith, she paints a warning for us all. Of the few she can save as her power wanes.
Sinisave niya?
We all wish for our families to thrive. Your family, however, believes only one can survive. But perhaps you'll find another way. You who have lived amongst us, perhaps you differ from your father and your sister, as I differ from mine.
Okay, parang
Your mother paints life, whilst your father, death.
Parang siya yung
What will you paint?
What will you paint? Oh shit. Ano yan? Ano yan? May nag-spawn. Ito yung nakita nila sa Japan Ano ito? siya. Oo, tayo. Bumalik. Yan lahat na niya. Kagin, tinalo sila. Ulit nyo ah. Pero bakit? Yun yung naglilimit. Tayo na aray. So... Saan punta, boy? Siya din. Okay lang yan, bangko lang yan eh. Pero paano niya napipili kasi hindi mamamatay? Oh shit. Ay, kinuha na ba sila? Paano sila maglalaban? Nakatawa na yung pinaka-big body daw sa gitna lang nilagay. So, hindi mo na alam kung ano sinusunod mo kalaban. Kasi sinabi naman yung tatay. Okay. So, dadalhin sila dun. Kung saan man yung punta nito mga to. So, sinisave niya. So, si Verso, siya rin ba dapat? Okay. Si Verso. A glimpse in the past. Year 49. Okay. Ilang 2 decades. Okay, dito kami nagkita. Gustav yan?
You're okay.
Ay, si Beso, sorry. Kamukha niya. Oh, tayo na. Ah, okay. Timpote. Kamukha ni May. Baka nanay niya to.
Alicia?
Kaya na. Go. Galing sa sunog.
Good, you're awake. Come downstairs.
Clear. Epilogue. Alicia. Yun na. Susunod na. Woo! At gusto nyo patapusin na natin Act 3. Like nyo na yung video. Pucha, pinalaki ko to either way. So, ang ganda eh.
Alicia, quit dawdling. End of the corridor, you know where it is.
Yes, I'm here. I'm in your name when you're in nail one, eh? Ah, the painting. Si Renoir. Si... Anak nga siya. What the fuck? Parang na-addict sila dun sa ano.
Finally.
Oh, iba siya.
Our little shadow is awake.
Sino yan? Sino to? Ano ka? Sino to? Bakit
Our
ka?
parents are quite the stubborn pair.
Magkapatid tayo.
They're still fighting each other inside the canvas.
Parang
He
tuturuan
has her
nila.
imprisoned at the top of the monolith, and she has him trapped beneath.
Ngayon ba to nangyayari?
They've spent longer than this in other canvases. It's not that dire.
White peep. Lagi pipi ako.
Yes, I know. Maman's been in there for quite a while already. Renoir is wasting time in there, trying to help someone who doesn't want his help. You're as
Verso.
bad as Aline. He's not Verso. He's a painted copy built from our mother's memories.
Oh,
You do well to remember that.
Built from our mothers and memories.
Don't roll your eyes at me, sister dear. I know you're not a child, and too many in our family have lost all caution and sense of late.
Can you help Mama?
Help her do what? Run away and hide?
naiintindihan.
She's already succeeded. Honestly, if Aline wants to numb herself in the canvas, then let her. Grief is no excuse. We're all grieving.
Parang VR lang pala nila
She's
to
a
eh.
grown woman, and she was the head of the Painters' Council. I don't have time to coddle her. And before Verso died, she would have said the same.
Damn.
I already have. Aline is more skilled than Renoir, but I've tipped the scales in his favor. I have my pets in place. She who controls chroma controls the canvas. I can't take her chroma, but I can keep it from returning to her. Yes, it's enough. It's just a matter of time. As she weakens, Renoir is able to erase her oldest creations, with the exception of her obscene fake family. She's made them immortal, but luckily, they're also quite useless.
Oh. Hey.
I need you to take care of yourself while I'm gone.
Naku.
Don't be naive. The world doesn't stop simply because our family's in
Hindi
mourning.
main character yung pamilya
The
natin.
conflict is spreading, and there are things I must do if we painters are to survive.
Painter.
You will do nothing. You're too. The writers used you against us once before. They won't hesitate to use you again.
Pucha, may
I
writers din.
can't promise that I'll make the same choice Verso made. Verso traded his life for yours. If you really want to be useful, then enter the canvas and help Renoir. I need him back here sooner rather than I'll fight this war alone if I have to. But can you handle that? Lest you forget, the only reason those two are in there is because your naivety cost Verso his life. Good. Go and repaint your throat when you're in there, before you completely forget. Lest you forget, the only reason... Good. And repaint...
Where he painted this. Ooh. Naging Pokemon ako bigla. Sure. Okay. Alam natin saan siya galing.
If we bring Maman out of the canvas, she'll try to return. We must hide the canvas.
Well reasoned. And such a clever hiding spot you've chosen. She'll still find it, but I'm impressed. This only truly ends if you destroy the
Di ba kami
canvas.
mamamatay lahat dun? Or portal lang ba dun? Yung mga portal lang ah. A way in lang to.
And that means stopping the final sliver of Verso's soul from painting.
Parang you need to let go. Parang a way lang to immortalize yung niya, yung death niya. Oh, yun. Yung block. Weird. Ay, technically, dapat yung isa niyang mata lubog na eh. Kasi wala nang nakakapitan yung isang eyelid. Agad.
That's Aline's chroma. Stay calm. Don't let it take control of you. Calm, Alicia, or it'll paint over you. What an auspicious start. Well, you're about to be reborn in this world as one of Aline's creations.
Yun na nga.
Fun?
So siya ba yung... Yeah, siya.
At least this will keep you out of trouble until I get back.
Kaya may maskara. Kapilog Alicia. Oh! Oh!
She's a girl.
O si Mael nga.
She's a girl.
So,
She's beautiful.
Ang galing.
What a lovely voice. My love, did you decide on a name?
Mael. Si Gustav.
Oh, my darling girl. We have precious little time together.
Siya nga talaga.
You'll
Galing.
never know us. But I want you to know that you are loved.
Galing.
want you
Sabi
to
kamukha pa rin niya eh. No? Kaya pala kamukha niya.
You will always be the beautiful child I held in my arms.
Okay.
You will smile the brightest smile.
Ano lang niya?
You will cry.
Yung spirit niya para nag-reset dun.
You will know love. And you will know pain.
Oo. Yung pakita yan. Putay na yun.
You will know loss all too well. Because we live in an unforgiving world. But you are strong. And you will survive. You will struggle. And you will learn.
Ito, ano na
You'll
lang.
find people
Memorya
to
na
call
lang.
your own. And you will shine as their guiding light. For you will change the world. And the people around you. You'll forever be our princess.
Yep. Ano pala ito eh? Doble kama. Proud ko na sa GMA ito ah. Yung may
I
mukha sa
have
likod.
decided on her name. And her name will be Mael.
Called it. Ito, madali maulaan to. Gulat ako kay Laberso. Kaya na. Memory na lang sila. Act 3. Mel. Oh, white hair na ako. Tumanda na. Berso? Yep. Ang technically nga, hindi siya pwedeng matanos. Ito na lang ba yung huli niyang memory?
Actually, I prefer Mael.
I think I do too. But I'm not really Verso, and you're not really Mael, are you?
You're not Verso, no.
Save file lang
You
siya.
look and sound just like him. But you're you.
Anong episode ng Black Mirror to?
I'm still Mael, though.
Yo! Hanapin pa ni John Wick yung aso niya. Wait lang. Tsaka lang. Si Storm yun eh.
You should have helped me remember.
Puta, kasalanan ko pa.
I wanted to, but I...
Gusto pa seryoso to sa uniform niya.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too.
Kailan naging puti buhok nito
Listen
naman?
to Mama. If I hadn't trusted the writers, Verso would still be alive, and you
Wouldn't exist.
Laki pa ng world nito.
wouldn't be caught in the
Meron pang
middle.
writers, yun yun. May isa pa to,
Mama
sigurado.
did a terrible thing, painting you into Verso's canvas, giving you his memories, pretending the fire only took me. But I'm glad you exist.
Your father was right to erase everyone is better this way.
Better for who? Verso would never have wanted his canvas gone. He loved Esquier and his gestrels and grandes.
It was killing our mother. Staying here so long in a make-believe world with her make-believe family.
It's not make-believe. It's not. You're not to me.
You're real.
Papa's here. He'll help me fix Lumiere.
Will he?
No.
Mama painted a
ayaw niya
rather
yun.
unflattering portrait of him.
Paano ko ba si Mael?
He's much warmer than the Renoir, you know.
I bet.
Huli kong kalaban. Yung isa sa pamilya lang yun, sigurado. Okay. Painted, ano na naman to? Painted Power Pictus. Okay. Saan ko lalagay ito?
Your father was the one erasing everyone. Why would he help repaint everything?
I hid the canvas before I entered, so Maman can't.
Mamang kang. Nakalaban ko na siya. Voldemort. Yung main character pa siya there. Okay. Ano naman to? Ito na naman buhay mo. How many times do we have to kill you, old man?
Papa.
Alicia.
Okay. Ay, hindi pala siya. Kailangan pare-para tayo ng buhok.
I thought I told you to stay home.
Technically, my body's at home.
Naka-BR lang ako. Ito yung isang fictional din. Siya lang yung fictional dyan. Ito kami mag-login sa
Some of Eileen's
VR chat
finest work. I regret that it caused you so much pain. What Eileen did was unfair to you most of all.
Bigyan mo pa ako ng sentience hype kayo lahat.
The Descendre family's apologies. I know it seems absurd to offer oblivion as recompense, but perhaps that's the outcome we both desire.
What?
I'm proud of you. Getting your mother out of the canvas was not easy. Once we erase the canvas, we won't have to worry anymore.
She's home now. Why?
You know your mother. Verso painted this canvas. It contains a piece of his soul. She'll never willingly part with it.
No.
For the sake of the living, we must part with the dead.
No, Papa. See, I hid the canvas.
She will always find it. This is our only opportunity, while she's too sick from her prolonged descent into the canvas to return.
No. Papa. Papa, please. This is Verso's only canvas. You can't destroy the last piece of him that we have. This is my home now. You can't just decide...
Your home? After all that with your mother, you want to stay?
You know how little remains of my life outside.
Alicia, you'll die. You've already been here longer than you should.
But...
No. Look at me. I said no. I am not letting my daughter risk her life. Alicia.
Not, Mama. I'm not going to lose myself if I stay.
I know full well you will, and I am not doing this again.
We're doing this again.
No!
Oh shit. Hindi na ako ng Danny McPhee. Ayan.
Papa, what are you...
It's time to go home.
Oh shit. Oh my god, now the music, it slaps. Oh no. Namorted it. Oh, 1v1 kami? Stay. Oh, napastay. Let's go.
Vis-a-vis!
Yes! Okay. Oh my god, magagamit ko ba siya? Ay, hindi. Okay. Alam ko pwede ko siya gamitin sa fight eh.
Verso, come on. Come on.
Tatakbo na naman kami. Ito, ano yung mga yan? Oh my god. Okay, kapag-tao. Hindi ko na alam sinong kalabang ko dito. Umulit lang ba doon sa ligid na? Nilagay sa pura niya. Okay. Mga creation sila. At si Molo ko ba yung natira? Sabihin siya yung pangatlo. Pala ginrain ko siya pa konti.
I did it so easily. What am I doing wrong?
Don't be discouraged. It's only been a day since you remembered your paintress side.
We believe in you.
Ang ganda ng sword ko eh. Ay, babalik ko sila. Summoning technique.
Painting isn't about verisimilitude.
Lalim naman ng verisimilitude.
Your father made the axles, right?
She who plays with wonder, he who guards truth with lies.
They're the essence of your mother and your brother.
Yes. Ito yung brush niya. Zoom! Yeah! Let's go.
How did we got marched? Wow, your hair.
We have much to talk about.
Kompleto na.
So you were her daughter? And you were a paintress too?
So cool, right?
And you knew this whole time! You fucking coward! You betrayed us! We trusted
You can bring them back too. Yeah?
Dami masyado.
Everyone we've lost.
Yeah, but I need chroma and
Nababalik
Papa
kasi ka,
controls
no?
all the chroma in the canvas.
Robert Pattinson?
No. Not all of it. The expeditioners. The ones killed by Nevrons. Gustav noticed their chroma remains in their bodies. They never dissipated. Like the
So
Gamage.
gomage lang.
It's old chroma, not pure. It won't be like bringing the two of you back, but we could use it in other ways.
Time for the greatest expedition in history.
Clair Obscur.
Ibabalik ko? Malalala ko siya. Oh, sana ba yung sa mushroom? Yung sa cave, sana balik niya. Yes! Oh my God, naalala ko lahat ng mga nakita natin. Diba to? Lahat ba ito nang nakuha natin yung mga messages nila? Ayun, tayo na naman. Baba mo muna siya, no? Pani masakit. Chroma is soul sa kanila eh. Damn. God damn. The callback is too good. Boy, ulit sila. Oh shit! Naalala pa ba nila? Wow, expedition pa din. Oh my God. Whew. Goosebumps, man. Ito yung lumilipad na. Yeah, fly! Pokemon lang. Thank you.
Once we're ready,
Oo, tayo na.
we can head to Lumiere.
Like tayo na natin. Let's go. Back to Lumiere. Ako yung pinupuntahan ko. Fly up. Woohoo! Bum bum bara bum bum bari bum. Oh God.
Wait for us here. It's dangerous for you near Papa.
Ano ba? Isa sa mga pinakamalakas yan.
We'll have to move fast. I can't maintain them for very long.
Saan yung mga expeditioners ko? Yun. Sila lalaban sa mga to. Basta korekta na ako sa ano. Si Gustav, please. Ito rin yung ano sa Lord of the Rings eh. Bumawi sila. Oh shit. We're taking back Lumiere, boy. Hangga.
Tomorrow comes.
Woo! Tayo na from... ano? To those who come after. To tomorrow come. Tayo naman. Pinigibutan ako yung na. Tama na. Oh shit! Tumutulog! Sila ang laki nila. Kala ko ba? Woo! Oh my god! The power of friendship. Naramdaman ko yung to those who come after nila. Wala ko ba sila yung try labanan? Baka na mag-level up. Oh! Ginagawa mo. Oh my god! Kulat ako. Dito ako galing. Kila Gustav, di ba? Okay, di ang guess. Gege, ugong, wala ka. Tayo na wala. Ano yan? Creepy, gago. Yung isa, maliit lang pala. Ba't marang ang laki niya dun sa ano? The fuck? Laki niya dun sa... labas.
Brace yourselves.
Ay, gago. May ganon. May ganon siya, te.
Watch out, PaoLUL.
Oh my god, 15k. Ba't ang hina ako sa kanya? Ano nangyari?
Please, survive!
Alam. Bye. Oh my
I
god.
can't sustain the expedition as much longer.
Malapit na, unti na lang.
Ned, we need to defeat them fast.
Father's been extra inspired.
Oh my god. Okay.
Enticing.
Let's go. AoE Queen. Mga walang damage.
Watch out, PaoLUL.
Yan. Hindi pa namatay.
Oh well.
Oh shit. Ano to? Ano? Fuck. Ito na lang, bagay na lang. Yes. Ano? Oh my god, easy. Ginawa natin ang lahat ng yon. Halos 24 hours ng gameplay para sa pagkakataong ito. Renwa, tapusin na natin to. Pocha angas, nakaabang lang siya dun.
Papa,
Alicia.
please. I
Yung...
just want you to understand what this canvas means to me.
I do understand. I know how powerful and intoxicating it is. How deeply attached we can become to the worlds we pour our hearts and souls into.
Gamer.
I was enthralled, and it nearly killed me.
It doesn't mean you have to erase Verso's canvas.
Child, do you think I want to? After all the sorrows we've endured, do you really think that I want to destroy this last piece of his soul?
Don't.
Life keeps forcing cruel choices. We do what we must.
Ito na yung may-ari ng server mo na gusto nang isara yung yung server dahil ang
Grief
kupal nila lahat.
often blinds us, and we make choices we can never take back.
You grieve for two.
I grieve for many.
The choices of parents leave indelible marks upon their children. But ultimately, The voices in their head have to be their own. You cannot set the boundaries of their life for them.
Yapatax pala to eh.
After the fire, you wanted me to find new joy in life. And I tried. But I couldn't. I couldn't. Verso died because of me. How do I get from that to joy?
Child, it will get better, I promise you. But this is not the way. Your friends speak truth. And it changes nothing. You can hate me. But that's a choice I must make. As your father, I must look out for you. Especially when you can't look out for yourself.
You treat me as if I'm still 5.
I treat you as if the shadow from the worst day of our lives is going to suffocate you and take you from us too! Enough. I said enough.
Oh shit. Alabanan ko na naman siya. How many times must I beat you, old man? Woo! Kinibutan ako, hayop. Kung lalabas yan ng gano'ng mga weapons, alam mo na eh. Let's go. Gano'n yan, ang top. Gano'n eh. Oh my god! Oh shit. Pinaganda talaga nila yung ano, battlefield. Siyempre maganda dapat suot niya. Dapat dapper yan, di ba? Oh my god! Dalabado ko yung ano niya, Voldemort skin niya. Oh shit! Tayo na. Let's go. Ito yung kanyang Smurf skin, ayop. Ay, nako, Renwa. How many times? Oh my god, nagsama na Axel ang puta. Anong trip to?
You must accept things as they are, not how we want them to be.
Oh my god. Hindi ko pa sila ibalik. Ayaw na labanan to mga to, please.
Watch out, my help.
When did you become so stubborn?
Tagal na.
Feel the burn.
Yun, Bocha, may counter din ang team. Yun, tayo na, nabuhay kami. Kinakina mo.
Oh well.
Okay, kahit mag-shield ka pa, kahit wala akong guard breaker, ayos. Ayos ka. Ang bilis niya. Patay ka na, boy. First, ay naku, hindi gumagalaw yung health. Fuck, may isa pa siya. Dapat patay ka ni. O, di gumagalaw. Rescue? Anong rescue? Putang ina mo.
Stop this insanity. It's time to go home.
I do love a challenge, but this is beginning to irk
Irit
me.
na ako sa mga second life na to.
He keeps regenerating.
Maybe we focus on the axons first.
Ano yan? Tutulungan tayo ni ano?
No, she can't.
No, kung sabihin siya yung kalaban ko. She can't. Ay, si Clair. Ay, mama. Kaya pumasok ka server nanay mo.
You're going to kill yourself.
Too soon for you to return to any canvas.
Sinabi ko, kakain na tayo. Tapusin mo na tong game mo. Wala akong pake kung di mo napapos yung game mo. So siya mapapataan sa kanya? Tatalo sa kanya? Gogo. Tong ina. So na siya ilalaban sa Axon? Tutulong. Nakasmile siya. Oh my God! Ah! Shit naman. Naging music. Ay, ni Rasengan si Idori sa mukha po. Tayo na po. Oo, tayo one hit. Ah, babawi. Uppercut. Tangin ang music to. Pwede ko manood na lang ako. Yung ako may isa pa. So yung mga action di ko na paproblemahin. Tama ba? Oo nga, siya nakabahala dun. Okay, so ito, wala nang buff. Okay, so 1v1 na lang. Oh, putang ina na naman. Oh, ano yan? Itong mechanic na naman. Naku, huwag ka no! Alis kayo ng alis! Ilan beses ka ba tatakas, boy? May pumunta kalaban mo. Childhood mo. What? Ah, kumuha siya ng buff? Woo! Ang angas niya. Gago, angas siya. Mga Dementor na nakain si Harry Potter. Stun! Tangina mo naman. Oh shit! Tangina ang atake to, di mo ano nangyayari?
Here we go.
Parang umabot tayo ulit ng 8 ang posible.
Bring it on.
Ah, shit. Yan na kasi mga counter to para tayo matatapos ito. Verso. Ay gago. Yung pambilis nun. What the fuck? Ano nangyari? Ang dami nangyari. Oo, yun. May 25k ka. God. Okay. Tapos heal.
Just try it.
What? Ba't siya na agad? Lagi una, di ko to nakaka-counter. Fuck! Wait lang. Ina naman. Okay lang, 66 damage ka lang, 63 digits ka lang naman. Hindi ko alam ba't di gumana yun. Hindi ko maintindihan minsan. Kala ko may libre akong turn lagi pag nag-gradient ako. Tapos ka na, kaibigan. Para mas poetic. Oh, ay! May isa pa! Putang ina, 30. Ilan ba buhay mo, ama? Fuck. Imposibleng hindi yun nag-proc. Oh, sige, reset tayo po. So wala lang din.
Aside the canvas. You both.
Not this time!
Oh! Oh my God! Tangina! Out of game experience, out of the battle experience. Dito ka lang. Tangina. Gago. Oh, tangina. Kala mo hindi siya bagsak kanina eh. Oh! Tangina mo. Oh! One try. Wala pa akong break. Ilang beses pa ba tayo maglalaban? Parang typical ano to ah. Typical Tondo household ah. Bugbogan ah.
Ironic. Your mother was the one who saved me
tapos
when
din.
I lost myself in a canvas.
Oh, tayo, inubo na.
She taught me how to safely use our gift.
Nakukunin ka na ba?
Soar without flying too close to the sun.
Ayun na nga.
We painted hundreds of canvas worlds, pushing the very boundaries of creation. And she never let me forget that every day we spent here has a price.
R.I.P. Pareho sila. So lumaban siya until yung candle kaya niya.
Yet, here we are now.
So trust her. If she's doing this, then...
I trust what she taught me. This is not a game. You think you know what's at stake, but you don't.
I know precisely what's at stake. You want control. You want to feel like you're doing something. You couldn't save Verso, so you want to save us.
Go over, ano siya,
Except you're
compensate.
Destroying the canvas won't help us move on. It'll just deny us the one place that helped us feel again.
67 years. 67 years I spent trapped within the monolith. But I persisted. Do you know why? Do you know why I cannot leave her or you behind?
Why? Why?
This is what I see.
Ay, na-consume na siya.
Day.
Ang trauma.
I cannot spend another day with living corpses. Since the fire, our family has crumbled. Aline in the canvas. Claire fighting a solitary war. You ghost. Verso's death broke us. Want it to be fixed. I need it to be fixed. I cannot lose you too.
Don't you see? That's how I feel about them.
Every man, I need to fix this.
I can't lose them either. I've lost too much. Papa, see? I've lost so much.
We both lost so much.
Papa, I don't want to lose you either. I'm not leaving you forever. Just a little longer.
I want to trust you, but...
Ito kailangan mong patayin talaga. Oh. Umayag lang siya.
Keep the light on for you.
No.
I hope you find peace. Hold on to each other.
Patay na nga siya. Sa wakas. Oh, 3 beses ko pa siya papatayin eh.
Verso!
I'm sorry.
Reach the end. The end. Yun nga, tapos na nga. Ooh. Ay, nasa pic. Ay, yung boy. So, tama na. Tigil mo na yan.
Hi.
Ito ba yung last soul niya? Universo.
You're tired of painting, aren't you? I'm tired too.
Oh man, that's a very I don't feel so good, Mr. Stark moment.
That's...
Yep, that's him.
You shouldn't be able to be here.
Lamon's gift.
Okay.
Why did you run in? It's dangerous for you here.
See things as they are, not how you want them to be.
What?
You lied to your father.
No.
You saw it too. But he wanted to believe. You're going to die here. Why don't you just leave? You can always come back.
The moment I leave, Papa will erase this canvas.
This is not worth your life.
What life? My life of loneliness in a shell of a body, with no voice and no future.
You're my El. No matter where you are, you don't need this canvas.
But everything I want is here. Here I have a chance to live, Verso, to live. Up there I merely exist.
Life keeps forcing cruel choices.
Stop quoting Papa!
Ang gaganda ng mga quotes nyo eh. Ba't hindi pwede i-quote? To those who come after, tomorrow comes. Hindi ko makalimutan eh.
It's time to stop painting.
Hindi pa siya lumalabas sa mga saan-saan. Hindi yan. Sabi ko na eh. Layo eh.
Papa also said, hold on to each other.
Si Mael, mapilit din eh. Pagod na nga eh. Ang para sa'yo na lang to eh. Kung sabihin 1v1 kami dahil dito.
I'm sorry.
Oh God, wag. Ayoko na isa pang laban. Oh my God naman. Kung sabihin lalabanan mo ito, wag na. Kahit ganun lang. Kahit cutscene na lang. Please. Ano to? Decide the... Oh, tayo desisyon. Decide the fate of the canvas. Tangina. Fuck. Well, technically mas malakas si Verso ngayon. Pero mas gusto kong ipaglaban yung kay Mael kasi stan ko yan. Ang tanong kasi kung kaya ko ba labanan si Verso. Kaya binuff ko siya eh. Pag natalo ba ako, yung fate ng canvas yung kabilang decision, o kailangan kong manalo dun sa pipiliin kong fighter. So wala kasi verso 1v1, nakita naman natin eh. Sinolo niya yung tatay niya eh. So si Mael para sa story. Mas nakaka-resurrect ako kay Verso kasi pagod na rin ako eh. Sige. At kay Mael. Sige, Mael tayo. Ay, patuloy lang. At least di pinapakita sa'yo na may isang tamang path. Para lahat equal eh. 1 HP ako.
Verso, stop! You can't just decide this for everyone!
We're all hypocrites.
Ay,
Doing
gagi
the
kasi
same
1
thing
HP
to each
ako.
other.
Ayaw makapag-heal. Kalokohan to. Tangina mo. Okay, ang sakit talaga ng dami si Mile. Kailangan ko ito mapari. Fuck. Yun na nga. Light dodge lang. Nag-reset yung ano ko. Yung shit.
What about Lune and Ciel and Monoko? What about Eskie?
Ciel was right. Grief blinds us.
Naging tatay
All
mo
you
rin
see
ikaw.
are walls.
Okay. Sabi. Kailangan ko magana ng gradient.
Finesse and precision.
Malambot siya.
I've lived a long time, Mael. There are things we could never outrun.
I'm so tired,
Ikaw
Verso.
rin pagod. Natay pagod.
Please, can we just go home and talk about this?
Wala akong taga-bird. Weakness pala niya yun. Okay, never mind. Okay, medyo masakit yun, Besh. Yari ka, boy. Shit, nawalan ako ng stance. Yun lang. Okay lang. Mail pa rin to, boy. Sorry. Buti lang meron ako nung Phoenix down. Our draft score line. Bakit nag-carry over kasi yung kaninang fight? Dapat full HP kami pareho. Oh, yung best ko nilagay na fake toast. Ang ina. Pwede tapos na eh. Tapos na yung first round pa lang.
Stop him from painting.
Don't say that. Please, don't say that.
Mr. Stark.
Please.
I don't feel so good.
Only you can do this. You can do this, please. Unpaint me. Unpaint me.
Literal na pagod na siya, gago.
Please. I don't want this life.
Oo,
Stop saying
ganda ng ano, VO.
This life.
Ano,
I
VO?
don't want this life.
I just wanted to live this lifetime together.
Hindi po.
This lifetime that was stolen from us.
Okay lang.
Please. Bro. Please.
I don't want this life.
Stop saying yung I don't want this life. Nade-depress ako eh. Ako ba di siya pwede mamatay dito?
Help me. Help
me. Oh. Baka pansinin siya nung boy. Kaya iba pinili ko, iba rin yung cutscene. Kasi may doon nakaiga. Mga ganun. Isasara mo din ba? Eh sinabi mo, may sinabi siya. Na yun. Epilogue. Sino na alive to me? Ilan ba epilogue mo? Kung marami kang epilogue, di na epilogue. Ano mo babalik lahat ng natanos? Oh, si SK, hello. Ano ba? Yung ano? Yung opera. Ano to? Pinahawak niya. Sino yan? Ba't ang mature na mukha niya? Yung bata. Ay, kapatid mo?
Clair obscur, trouble de rature, courbera Eiffel. Clair obscur, guardé aux peintures, trouvera sans elle. Clair obscur, trouble de
Bakit ang mukha niya? Beso ba? Wait lang. Beso ba yung asawa niya?
Clair obscur, guardé aux peintures, trouvera sans
Abi, bago ba siya jowa? Siya ba nag-paint niya to? Huwag tayo maglokohan dito. Alam kong genjutsu lang to. Tanggalin mo na ako sa genjutsu na to, Ben. Oo nga. Ang pangit na eh. Ano nga yun? Para lang siya yung paintress. Mangyayari. Sus. Papinili ko yung illusion. Posible, iba-ibang timeline to eh. Oh. Yan. Ito dapat yung kinuha kong... Ay, gago ka, putang ina mo. Gulat ako, hayop ka. Mas maganda sa story kung si Mael eh. Background music. Expedition 33, Clair Obscur. Ay, ang ganda. 10 out of 10. Ito yung naging Game of the Year. Pinili nila si Verso. Tapos na. Tabinging tower. Yung kay Mael, parang parang pag may next game, lalabanan mo naman siya. At syempre bilang bago nila tong franchise, maganda maraming open-ended eh. Kasi kung tinapos sila agad to, parang iisip na naman kami ng bagong magbabayad ng namin, renta namin, tsaka studio. Ang ganda naman. So kung pinili ko si Verso, mas matatalo ko si Mael, mapapatay ko rin naman yung sarili ko eh. Ganun din naman eh. Mawawala rin ako eh. Kung nawala ako, either mapilitan si Mael gumawa na naman, ibalik yung canvas. Di ba kung paano niya gagawin do? Break na tayo, sila magkapatid!
Break!
Siya yung Thanos. Okay. O, tsaka napanood ko na to sa Game of Thrones. Ending to ah. Kasi Daenerys moment.
Don't leave me again.
Wala nga sinabi si Daenerys nun.
It's gonna be okay.
Para makapagpahinga na yung
You've got this incredible power to paint. You'll never have to suffer a life you don't want. You're okay.
Go.
You're okay.
Parang mas masakit to eh, no? Sa bata eh. Pero... Okay, Verso parang di ako masyado naawa. Tanggal sa server. Time ka na. Sayang resplendent chroma ko sa'yo. Mael, level 19 na yun. Ano napipigilan ito? Sampalin mo na sa bato mo. Hoy! Tama ba na yan? Tingnan mo na yan. Tayo nag-teleport yung dalawa. Miss mo ba kami, pre? Saan banda?
I will miss you guys.
Oo. Tangin na, no. Weird doon, na parang... Di mo naman ginusto magkaroon ng ganito experience eh, pero Yak! Oh. Ito lang, ito, kung mayroon man akong choice na mali dito, ito eh. Sa lahat ng decision making sa game na to. Ito lang yung hindi ayoko eh. Tapos sunod na yan eh. Ay, yak, nandidiri ako. Lagyan mo nga ng PNG nilo na sa mukha. Takpan mo nga. Sisira immersion ko sa mukha. Yun! Yun oh. Girl, back up. Okay, na-late yung, na-late yung dugo. Nangyari. Nangawit. Nainis. Para siyang batang nainis na eh. Umupo. Ito yung mga magulang na maagang pinagtatrabaho yung anak nila. Tama na. Itigil mo na yan. Nakaahon na tayo sa hirap. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-investment. Okay na. Huwag mo na gamitin yung childhood mo para magtrabaho. Hindi ka na. Maglaro ka na ng ano, ng 10, 20, saka ano, habulan. Kahit 30 years old ka na, okay lang. Naahon mo na ang ating angkan sa hirap. Nanyok na yung canvas. Hindi pinakita sa lalo na yun dun sa gilid. Ano nakalagay kanina? Ah, ano? Ito, A Life to Love is ano? A Lifetime to Paint ba yun? A Life to Paint?
Miroir du temps, nos histoires s'alignent. Dans le creux de nos mains, deux mondes se dessinent. L'un peint de rêve, où le chagrin s'efface. L'autre nu et réel,
Alala ko dito yung harap nung ano eh. Shelby Mansion na series. Ito yung labas nun eh. Artista to eh, kamukha na yung ni Renoir, parang doon kinuha. Cassandra. Un charmant pendant bien nommé Good Life ba? Bien nommé Goodbye. Ah, sige. Nagintal. Ito nga si Clair. Kamukha niya nanay. So essentially, parang ano lang to. Nangyari tong game to dahil sa grief nila.
Toi le vierge, horizon lointain, peignons ensemble les couleurs de demain, au clair obscur, œuvres infinies.
Imagine ko lang may game tayong ganito. Kasi sa harap yung Paris, yung Tower of Paris. No? Sa atin yung ano, yung sa Luneta Park. Pero merong building sa gilid na maliit. Sabi, ito yung time mo para ma-share yung culture mo sa ibang, ano na, ibang lahi. May hotel doon sa likod. Ano? Reflex yan. Kung game to ng Amerika, ano yan? Flag ng watawat yan ng Amerika agad, mati. So naglaro ka ng 20-30 plus hours para sabihin sa pamilya to na mag-move on na. Yun na siya. Gusto ko ng ganong ano, laruan. SK doll. Paano hindi gumagalaw buhok mo sa ganitong hangin? Ang tunay na ilang chroma kinailangan dyan. Ang huling verso. Akda 13. Ay, music. iba na naman. Alam ko na to, no? Para product placement agad to, no? Tayo bad. Okay lang. Tutusok kami after, di ba? Kami yung after talaga. Ba't dinelay lang nila yung grief nila? Nagkaroon ng ganitong whole ass expedition. Okay. Basta ba? Ayun na. Yeah, mas maganda nga ending na to. Masasakit, pero mas maganda itong ending na to. Mas fun yung isang ending. Parang pinatagal mo eh. Pero yun, so doon tatapos sa ating expedition. Kung gusto pa na mga ganito, mga cancer, like nyo lang, comment kayo down below ng mga ganitong game. Na-enjoy ko to. Ngayon ulit ako nagpasok ng ganito karaming oras sa isang game. Comment nyo na down below yung susunod na expedition natin. Maraming salamat sa manonood. PaoLUL na mamaalam. Expedition 32 na tayo next time.